Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how a random Sunday looks in my life. So basically, in case if you do not know me, so basically I'm a NEET aspirant of NEET 2022, and currently I'm studying in 12th grade from Lakshya NEET batch of Physics Wala sir. And yeah, I'm one of those students who have successfully wasted their 11th grade, not because of I was not studying in 11th, but because I didn't knew the correct way of studying. So kind of wasted my 11th, and now I'm struggling to manage my 11th grade with my 12th grade. So basically on Sundays I only and only focus on my 11th grade. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. And this video is very kindly sponsored by Dr.Fone, about which I will talk to you guys quickly, and then we will start with the study vlog. So sometimes we face a lot of problems in an iOS device, such as black screen and all, and then we need to go to a service center to get it repaired. But Wondershare Dr.Fone resolves that issue at your home only. So let's see how. So for that, first you need to download Wondershare Dr.Fone on your PC and install the app. Then this will show this type of interface once it is opened. So you need to go to the system repair option, and this will show iOS repair, Android repair, and iTunes repair. And this will show two modes. First is standard mode and second is advanced mode. So basically standard mode retains your data and advanced mode erases your data. So if your device do not get fixed by the standard mode, you guys can also opt to the advanced mode. So let's try it once with the standard mode. So there are three steps. Firstly, you need to turn off your iPhone and connect it with the computer. Then you need to press and hold power button and home button at the same time. Then release the button until it shows connect to iTunes, and then your iPhone is finally connected to your PC. So once it is downloaded, it will start downloading a software on your PC, and once the software is downloaded, you just need to click on fix now button and it will get repaired. And if still it didn't get repaired, you can go for the advanced mode and follow the following steps out. So I think it's a great software to repair your iPhone at your home only. So I will link this software in the description box below. Definitely check this out. So I woke up at 8:20 because I slept a little late yesterday's night, and for me now the night study wala routine is more convenient because my classes are in the evening.
Time is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep trying to heal, but it don't show. No one really knows how to carry on. Carry on. Nah, nah, nah. Everybody thinks, but
So for today my goal is to complete the kinematics chapter and do numericals of this chapter as much as possible. So here I am just helping my mom in some household work. So basically, as you all have seen, I didn't woke up early, and moreover it's a Sunday, so I do not like to do much of studying in the morning. So in the mornings I prefer doing other stuff rather than studying.
I love to see your face, and you feel the same way. You and I are still the same.
So basically I was supposed to do kinematics for the whole day, but I was not feeling like studying kinematics, and moreover I need to revise the chemistry and solve some DPPs. So I started the day with chemistry.
Yeah, change a thing. I could never change a thing.
So here I am just attending some lectures. So because due to some network issues I was not able to attend it during the online class. So now I'm just attending this.
is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep.
So basically, here's a little side story. So yesterday I told my dad to bring some mangoes, and he bought only two by seeing the fact like the mangoes which are available in the market are not that good. So from that two mangoes, I'm making the shake of only half mango, and those half maybe I'm like fighting with my brother. So that's what happening.
Butterflies that go turning so cold. Rainy days are when I need you most. But I love to see your face, and you feel the same way. You and I are still the same, and I hope we never change. And I know we're not right, we couldn't end this fight. I can't ever change a thing, I could never change a thing. Yeah, change a thing. I could never change a thing. I could never change a thing. Time is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep trying to heal, but it don't show. No one really knows how to carry on. Carry on. No, no, no. Everybody thinks, but they don't know.
Hey everyone, so it's almost like 6:10 and I was supposed to start studying at 6, but I'm not at all in the mood of studying. That's what happens every Sunday. And you guys will not believe I haven't used my phone for the whole day. Like I've used it for like 15 to 20 minutes once, and I haven't used it at all. And I really want to like binge watch something and browse on internet and all that stuff, and I was supposed to start studying at 6. I don't know, I am stuck in between to like whether to study or use the phone. I don't know, let's see what happens.
You and I are still the same, and I hope we never change. And I know we're not right, we couldn't end this fight. I can't ever change a thing, I could never change a thing. Yeah, change a thing. I could never change a thing. I could never change a thing.
So I just studied for like half hour more, and I'm not like able to concentrate on this stuff. I just have analyzed few of my mistakes, and now I think without wasting any more time on this, I will do some chemistry work because I need to revise yesterday's lecture and also need to solve the DPP. So I may take a 15 minutes break because obviously I'm not at all able to like concentrate, and after the break I will start studying chemistry, and that's it for this chapter kinematics for today.
Time is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep trying to heal, but it don't show. No one really knows how to carry on. Carry on. No, no, no. Everybody thinks, but they don't know. Butterflies that go turning so cold. Rainy days are when I need you most. and you feel the same way. You and I are still the same, and I hope we never change. And I know we're not right, we could end this fight. I can't ever change a thing, I could never change a thing. Yeah, change a thing. I could never change a thing. I could never change a thing. Time is moving fast, but I can't go. You keep trying to heal, but it don't show. No one really knows how to carry on. Carry on. No, no, no. Everybody thinks, but they don't know. Butterflies that go turning so cold. Rainy days are when I need you most. But I love to see your face, and you feel the same way. You and I are still the same, and I hope we never change. And I know we're not right, we couldn't